Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Jackie Journey and welcome to my unboxing episode today again. It's been a while and right now it's time that I'm back here with my unboxing episode again. Today, as you have already seen my cover, it's gonna be about Jill Sander unboxing, which I have it here with me already. So let's dive into it, what I got today. So as you see here, I have my Jill Sander box with me in front of me here. Jill Sander, very nice, very cool box. Minimal, black and white, monochromatic. So that's the box. I really love it. I can use this one as the, as the decoration for my interior. So let's open it. They also give this, and the brand Jill Sander also gave us this, very cute. I don't know if it's a tote bag. It's not a tote bag. It's more like shoes bag or clothing bag. It's a minimal, very cute, very small, tiny bag with the Jill Sander logo here, which is very cool. You can actually use this one maybe, on your pocket. Some of you may have already seen in my previous video, like almost 2 years ago, that I did unbox the Jill Sander logo t-shirt, the one in monochromatic white and black. Now today I have another t-shirt in the same version, but it's gonna be in dark green and black in the logo. Let's take a look at what I got today. Okay guys, so you can see it's right here in the back of me now that I have this latest Jill Sander logo t-shirt. The one from, I think this one is a new color. In this spring summer 2024, Jill Sander has the its iconic logo t-shirt, Jill Sander, in 2 colors. I think in this one they call it thyme green, and also the other one is more like beige and earth tone. But I think for my skin, like I have a little bit of tan skin, so I think the dark green and the thyme green would fit me better than the beige one, because then I would look so pale and it's not really outstanding. But this one I think is very cool on me because also, it's a little bit dusty, so it's good to wear this outfit on a day that I go to gardens or park or trekking or something, venture into the nature, so this would be cool. So I'm gonna do the styling for today. I'm gonna pair it up with the Dries Van Noten, the sweatpants, oversized sweatpants. I think the color combination looks good on this with the green on top and the white at the bottom. Let's do the styling part. Okay, before we dive into the styling part, I would like to say something about the quality of this t-shirt. For the quality wise, if it's worth it to buy this one in 2024, I don't think so actually, because the fit, you're gonna see, the fit, it looks very weird, it looks very odd on me compared to the previous one. This one fits very weird, especially on the shoulder, and I feel like this one they made it into more of the t-shirt versions, like the normal t-shirt versions. It's not really showing the oversized dropped shoulder anymore. I don't know, but the other one that I have, it was in size M, but this one I bought it in size S. Maybe it's the fit or maybe it's the fabric itself that is not really flowy anymore, because now it feels like it's just the t-shirt fabric, but the other one, it feels more like a little bit more like the sweater or sweatshirt fabrics inside, because here if you look inside, it's like it's very thin, but the other one, it feels a little bit thicker. Maybe it's because of the fabric. And yeah, the rest of the detail of the t-shirt, they also have the same, like, Jill Sander labels inside here, and also the neck tag is also the neck tag from the newer version of this logo t-shirt. I think it's only the first I think it's only the first season that they made it into the small collar neck tag, and after that, maybe in 2021, Jill Sander has turned it to the bigger patch like this. So this is how Jill Sander do it from 2021 and so on. Alright, let's get into the styling sessions, and I will let you judge how it looks on me. I'm not gonna say anything. The slippers and the Dries Van Noten oversized sweatpants, which I love it, you know, it's my aesthetic. And I'm gonna keep my sweater, I'm gonna keep my black sweater inside. I'm gonna wear the Jill Sander logo t-shirt on top, and let's see how it fits on me. Oh, it's stuck with my glasses, I forgot. Alright, so what do y'all think? How does it fit on me? I'm sure it's a little bit weird, like it's not because the fact that I put, look at this, like, yeah, I'm sure it's not the fact that I put the black sweater under it, but it's like the shoulder is something is wrong with this, you know, like even when I do this, like it's giving like a curve like this. So I'm not really happy with the shape of this t-shirt. I like the color, I like the logo, of course. Jill Sander is one of my favorite brands, so I really like it. Okay, right now I have changed into the Jill Sander logo t-shirt without wearing the black sweater under it. So what do you guys think? I mean, it also looks good, it's not bad. This is the overall fit, like from my body to the toe. And here we go to the back side of the shirt. The black side I think is fine, it doesn't have that much detail, but the detail is in the front. You can see Jill Sander logo t-shirt. So I think that's it for today for my review of the Jill Sander logo t-shirt. And before you go, and guys, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click like and share this video if you like it.